Alright, so in this video we're going to get into colors, both text colors and background colors. So let's start off here. This is actually file 2_5 colors background HTML, and we're going to start with this set of paragraphs, and we're going to look at some of the text colors. So this first one, I'm going to give this a class of text-muted. Alright, so let's go ahead and save that, and notice that the font is now a little lighter. Okay, so it's kind of a gray color. Alright, now we also have a class of text primary, and we'll save that, and that's going to be blue. Primary is by default going to be the blue color. And let me actually put up here kind of a map of the Bootstrap color system. Now, when you're working with Sass and you're compiling Bootstrap from source, you can change this. You can change the default colors of primary and things like that. But let's go ahead and just put the defaults in here. So muted is going to be like a gray color. We have primary, which will be blue. We have success, which will be green. Info, which is going to be like a light blue. We have warning, which is yellow. We have danger, which is red. White, which is obviously white. And we have inverse, which is like a black or a really dark color. Alright, and then for buttons we also have secondary. Okay, we're not doing buttons here, but secondary is like a gray color. Alright, so that's the basic map of the color system in Bootstrap. So for this one here, let's make it green. We'll give it a class of text-success. Okay, so that'll be green. Let's do text info and save that just to see what these look like. So see the green here. Text info is going to be a lighter blue. We can do text warning. Save that, so that makes it a yellow color. If we want it to be red, usually you'd use this with some kind of like error message or something like that. So text danger, that would be red. And then we also have text white, which generally you wouldn't use on a white background because it's going to disappear. You want to use that when you use like a dark background color or something like that. Alright, so let's take a look at background colors now. So we have a div, or we have a bunch of divs here, and I'm just going to apply some classes to these divs. So this first one here, let's give it a class, we'll give it a class of bg-primary and save. Okay, so that's going to make it the background blue. Now usually with this color you'd probably want to use the text white class as well. In fact, you probably want to use text white with most of these. Otherwise, it's going to be hard to read. All right, so we also have BG success, and we'll add text white to that as well. So that's going to give it a green background. We have BG info. Let's do BG info. Let's do BG warning. And let's see what else we have. BG danger. Let's save that. Okay, so you see the different colors. We also have BG inverse. Okay, we'll give that text white as well. Save that. So that gives it a black background. Oh, I forgot faded too. We have BG faded. And we're not going to give it a text white because that's a light one. See, it's very, very light gray. All right. Am I missing one? Success, info, primary. No, I think that's all of them. Yeah, that's all of them. So, and then we also have an invisible class. So this one right here, this hello, I'm going to set this to just invisible, and it's going to do just that. It's just going to make it invisible. Okay, so you probably want to use that when you have some kind of dynamic functionality with JavaScript or something, or CSS. All right, so those are the basic color classes, and not too much, not too difficult. We'll be using these throughout our projects, and that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to get into spacing.